Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. It is me again today and I'm happy you're here for another recipe. And today we are making another potato dish. The other day we made mashed potatoes, but today, listen, this is not your regular potato and fish combo. This dish is giving simple but sophisticated, humble but hearty, and oh my goodness, it is so delicious. It is amazing. If you're a lover of potatoes like me, and if you love fish as well, this one is just for you. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, let's talk about the star of the show, salmon. I've got here the belly part of a whole salmon that I've already cut up earlier. So this part is super tender and is flavorful. I'm just going to divide it into two just to make sure that it cooks evenly. We don't want any half-cooked drama here, okay? Now, for the marinade, you know how you do. I'm using my usual favorite spices. I'm using chili flakes, smoked paprika, some dry parsley, seasoning cubes, and salt. Now, rub that all over your salmon. Get into every corner and make sure that you're giving it a loving touch. You want the flavor to build in, okay? Because this is where the flavor magic starts. Now, time to sear it. In a pan, add some butter. Not too much, okay? Just enough to give it its richness because salmon also has oil in it. Now, once the butter is melted, throw in some chopped onions and garlic. Stir that around until it's fragrant and soft. Your kitchen should already be smelling like heaven right now. Trust me, when you saute onion and garlic in oil, butter, or anything, it smells amazing. Try it if you've not. Now, place your salmon in the pan and we're going to sear it. Yes. Sear it, you're not going to boil it. Don't overcook it, okay? We just want that golden edge. You know, that crispy outside, but juicy inside. Now, flip it from time to time to get an even sear. Salmon doesn't need too long to cook, so don't walk away. Stay close, okay? Stay close to the pot. After both sides are golden and you're happy with the color, now go ahead and cover the pot. Let it cook down a bit. Now, think of it as a gentle steam that locks in all the flavor. You just want it to simmer. Yeah, that's it. Just simmer. That's the word I'm looking for. Now allow it to simmer gently. Don't go far away, okay? Now while our salmon is simmering, let's get ready the potatoes. Give your potatoes a good wash. We want them clean and ready. Chop them into chunky pieces, not too small because we want them to hold up when we mix them later. Pop them in a pot, add some salt and cover that with water. Bring that to a boil until they are nice and tender. You don't want it mushy, you just want it tender. You should be able to poke them with a fork easily. Now, while that's boiling, go ahead and chop up your fresh parsley and green onions. These are going to add that final pop of color and freshness at the end. So set those aside. Don't mix them in just yet, okay? Just leave it. Now, check back on the salmon. Flip it one last time just to make sure that it's cooked through, but not dry. Remember, salmon cooks quickly and we want it juicy, so don't overcook it. Once you're happy with it, gently take it out of the pan and set it aside. Don't toss the juices in the pan, do not, because that's the liquid gold. Now, into that flavorful pan with the liquid gold, add your green beans, toss them right in. You don't need oil for this because there's enough in the pot. You're going to soak up all that salmon flavor, sprinkle in a bit of salt. If you need more chilies, if you like some heat, add more pepper and stir everything together and let the beans cook for a few minutes until they're just tender but still have that crunch, okay? I'm adding some chopped green onions. It lifts everything and gives you that fresh bite. And let that cook for just another minute or two. Now bring in your potatoes and add them straight into that pot with the green beans. Stir everything gently and coat those potatoes with all that goodness. You don't want to break them apart, okay? So go slow and loving, just gentle. Now sprinkle in your chopped parsley and a bit more green onions. Let everything marry together. Yes, we are building flavor upon flavor, so don't rush it. Be gentle with your pot. Now give it a few more minutes on the heat, just enough for everything to come together like one big happy family. You will see the butter, the garlic, the spice, the herbs, all hugging the potatoes and beans. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, cooking is a beautiful thing, to be honest. Now it's time to plate. Gently place your salmon on your plate. Add your potato and the green beans mix. And look at that golden color. Now garnish it with some green onion, and I also added some sesame seeds too, because why not? Presentation matters, my lovelies. Now you've got the soft buttery potatoes, you've got the crispy green beans, and you've got a perfectly cooked salmon. Now step back and take a look at your plate. All of this is in one plate. This is balanced, this is filling, this is delicious. All right, lovelies, that's it for today's recipe. If you loved it, don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know if you're trying this out. Please like, share, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do take care. Bye.